Hi everyone, my name is Dararuth. I am a solutions architect at Xage. In this video, I'd like to talk about our session collaboration innovations and why that matters for distributed industrial organizations. Have you ever been stuck troubleshooting an issue and need the help from a subject matter expert to assist? You want to share your screen and have an expert take over, but the problem is, how do you do it in a secure way that aligns with your company's security policies, especially if that expert is external to your organization? Today's approaches involving native Windows technologies that allow collaboration over RDP and VNC have many limitations and security risks. For example, opening up the RDP firewall port between your operational technology and IT DMZ increases the risk of cyber attacks to your OT assets. This is where Xage Session Collaboration can help. It is a feature that enables users to securely share their computer screen with multiple remote users without requiring installing any agents or thick clients or exposing vulnerable ports externally. Even when collaborating on a workstation, collaborators are restricted as to what devices they are able to access per security policy. Let's take a brief look into how this works. In this example, I have two browser windows open. The left represents a remote machine an operator is using, and the right will represent the contractors. The operator is logged into the Xage Fabric and is working on a Windows workstation deep in the OT network. Everything is browser-based and the RDP session is being proxied. The operator is using an application that connects to a SCADA controller where a project is open where the operator is programming some relay ladder logic. The operator has an issue setting up and needs help from an external contractor. To initiate a collaboration session, the operator clicks the Invite button where there is a unique session token that they can copy and pass along for the contractor to join. On the contractor screen, as represented by this browser window on the right, the contractor signs into the Xage Fabric. For the contractor, MFA is required for logon. Here the contractor uses a browser extension for MFA, but other MFA options are also supported. Once signed in, the contractor only has access to specific devices allowed, the workstation in question, which they can launch their own session normally. To join the operator session, the contractor simply needs to click on the Join Remote Session button and enter a session token provided by the operator. There is a prompt for the operator to view the invited user's permission to this workstation. Choosing Approve, the contractor can now enter the operator session when they're ready by clicking Join. At the top of the screen, you can see the attendees number go from 1 to 2 when the operator has successfully joined. The contractor can now view the operator screen. The operator proceeds with showing their screen, clicking around, and showing where they need help. When the contractor is ready to have keyboard mouse control over the session, they can enable write access for themselves at the top of the screen. As you can see, the contractor can click around, make some edits, as well as having keyboard control. As you can see them type 15 here. If desired, read-only access for users can be created with the policy. On the opposite end, a full control policy can be created that allow users to join sessions without invitations, disconnect user sessions, and also revoke write access. This is especially helpful for supervisors. Let's take a look. Here, a supervisor is logged into the Xage Fabric. There is an icon showing an active collaboration session is in progress on EWS1. Clicking the icon shows the current user sharing a session. Clicking Join enters the session. No invitation is needed. The supervisor can control the session by toggling the write access at the top of the screen or stay in view mode. They can revoke users' write access by simply clicking the attendees list, click the user, and then click Revoke on the prompt. That specific user can't toggle their write access back. They will need to request for it, and only a full control user can reinstate the access. After clicking Approve, we can see the user's write access has now been restored. Lastly, the supervisor has the ability to disconnect the session by clicking the attendees list, clicking the user, and choosing Disconnect. The user session is now disconnected. Rejoining will require inputting the invitation token and getting approval from the initiator to join their session. Zooming out, session collaboration can be combined with other existing Xage offerings and features such as device authorization required prior to users accessing devices, log on and per device multi-factor authentication, the ability to record sessions and export the recordings for offline viewing, secure file transfer with antivirus scanning, and many more. All of this can be deployed in the cloud, on-premise, or hybrid environments without the need to install clients, agents, or VPNs on your client devices. Thank you for watching.